Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Fatiha binti Muhammad Roshahimin and I am the Corporate Communication Manager of this organization. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. I am here to propose a strategic workplace communication enhancement program designed specifically to address the growing communication challenges within our organization. A comprehensive training initiative to strengthen communication practices, boost team effectiveness, and foster organization excellence. Why we need this program now? A recent internal audit and staff feedback have highlighted several critical issues, including inconsistent messaging from management, ineffective visual meeting, declining employee morale, and strained interdepartmental collaboration. If feel unaddressed, this issue may significantly affect our organization performance, productivity, and employee well-being. Therefore, this proposed training program aims to strengthen communication practices among our middle manager and team leaders who play a crucial role as communication gatekeepers within the organization. Program overview and objective. Clear messaging. Ensure consistent, effective communication across all organizational levels. Meeting excellence. Improve effectiveness of visual and face-to-face collaboration. Strangers relationship. Strangers interdepartmental collaboration and trust. Employee engagement, boost morale and create a more connected workplace culture. This program directly aligns with our strategic goal of achieving highest productivity, strengths, teamwork, and sustainable organizational performance. Target participants who will benefit. This program is designed specifically for individuals who translate strategic decision into operational action and serve as communication bridges within our organization. Middle manager responsible for departmental communication and team coordination. Team leader, leading frontline team and implementing organizational initiative. These participants currently face challenges in communication clarity, leadership, messaging, and across functional collaboration that this training will address. Core training component have four comprehensive modules designed to build practical communication skills through interactive learning. First, effective leadership communication, developing clear, impactful messaging, mastering active listening technique, communication with empathy and professionalism. Second, managing visual communication. We conducting productive online meeting using digital tools efficiently, reduce miscommunication in remote setting. Third, conflict resolution collaboration, managing misunderstanding effectively, improving interdepartmental relationship, build trust among diverse teams. And lastly is employee engagement and motivation, providing constructive feedback, encouraging open dialogue, enhancing team morale and motivation. Each model incorporates case study, role-playing exercise, and group discussion to ensure practical, actionable learning. Training, logistics, and investment have three program structure. First, duration. 2 full days of intensive training. Second, format, hybrid approach combining in-person workshop with an online session. Third, venue, company training hall and virtual platform. The investment detail is total budget between 15,000 and 20,000. Comprehensive package including trainer fees, materials and technical support. This represents a strategic investment with measurable return in productivity, employee satisfaction and organizational performance. Implementation roadmap. First month is preparation, identify and confirm participants, finalize training material and resources, conduct pre-training assessment. Second month is training delivery, execute 2-day hybrid program, facilitate workshop and interactive activities, monitor participant engagement, and 3 month is evaluation follow-up. Collect comprehensive feedback, measure communication improvement, provide coaching session. Expected organizational impact, enhance employee well-being, clear communication reduces workplace stress and confusion, creating a healthier, more supportive environment for all staff members. Employee engagement. Employees feel more valued and understood when communication flow effectively, leading to higher satisfaction and commitment, increased productivity. Better team coordination and efficient collaboration enable teams to work more effectively and achieve goals faster. Stronger culture promote transparency, trust, and collaboration, building the foundation of a highest performing people-centered organization. Measuring sources have three key performance indicators. First, employee satisfaction. Improve scores in internal survey measuring communication effectiveness. Second, reduce complaint. Decrease in communication related issue and misunderstanding. Third, team productivity. Measurable increase in team output and collaboration efficiency. And lastly is building our future together. The Strategic Workplace Communication Enhancement Program represents a timely, essential investment in our most valuable asset, our people. By strengthening communication practices among managers and team leaders, we are not just improving skill, we are building a more engaged, productive, and resilient workforce. This program is directly support our strategic goal of becoming a high performance pupil-centered organization. With your support, this initiative will deliver meaningful, measurable outcome that benefit every level of our organization. Thank you for your attention. I welcome your question.